VPN. A VPN, Virtual Private Network, is a tool that can be used to protect your online privacy and security. It allows you to connect to the internet securely and privately by encrypting your internet traffic and hiding your IP address. In this blog, we will answer the top 10 questions about VPNs. 1. What is a VPN? A VPN is a tool that allows you to connect to the internet securely and privately. It encrypts your internet traffic and hides your IP address, making it difficult for others to track your online activity. 2. How does a VPN work? A VPN works by encrypting your internet traffic and routing it through a server located in a different location. This makes it difficult for others to track your online activity or identify your IP address. 3. Why should I use a VPN? There are several reasons to use a VPN, including protecting your online privacy and security, accessing geo-restricted content, and bypassing internet censorship. 4. Is using a VPN legal? Using a VPN is legal in most countries. However, there are some countries, such as China and Russia, where VPNs are heavily regulated or outright banned. 5. Are all VPNs the same? No, not all VPNs are the same. Some VPNs are more secure than others, and some may have better features or faster speeds. 6. How do I choose a VPN? When choosing a VPN, it is important to consider factors such as security, privacy, speed, and ease of use. You should also consider the VPN's reputation and whether it has been audited by third-party security experts. 7. How do I set up a VPN? Setting up a VPN is usually a simple process that involves downloading and installing the VPN software and connecting to a server. 8. Can a VPN be hacked? While a VPN can add an extra layer of security to your internet connection, it is not foolproof. A determined hacker may be able to bypass the VPN's encryption or compromise the VPN server. 9. Can a VPN slow down my internet connection? Using a VPN can sometimes slow down your internet connection, as your internet traffic has to travel through an extra server. However, many VPNs have optimized servers that can minimize this slowdown. 10. How much does a VPN cost? The cost of a VPN can vary depending on the provider and the features offered. Some VPNs offer free plans, while others may charge a monthly or annual fee. It is important to consider the value offered by the VPN and whether it is worth the cost. Thanks for watching.